Check in the text below, and also in the comments I'll provide a link on how you can purchase this product or one similar. It helps me out a little bit if you use that link. Thanks a bunch. Townsel here, hanging around the toilet because apparently you and I have the same concern, the same problem, the same issue. We both want our toilets to be clean, and we're looking for products to keep them that way. I found this at Walmart. It's called Bold Fresh Blue plus Borax. I'm going to try it, see how it does. So stick around and I'll let you know what I think. Bold Fresh Blue plus Borax Automatic Bowl Cleaner. Has 2 in a pack. Supposed to fight stains with borax. Safety warning. Help keep your bowl stain free between scrubbing. Prevents stains due to hard water, mineral substance, and limescale, which is the problem we have here. Safe for septic tanks and will not harm plumbing. For better results, clean the toilet bowl thoroughly. I did that. Remove the lid from the toilet tank and flush. When the water is low, cut open pouch and drop tablet into corner of tank away from the float assembly on the far side. Do not flush for 20 minutes so that tablet can adhere to the bottom of the tank. When the water is no longer blue, add another Bowl Fresh Blue plus Borax tablet. Safety warnings. In case somebody swallows it. Here's the manufacturer's information and contact info. Still together. I cleaned my toilet bowl yesterday, but you can see that there's a ring here. There's like just a limescale mineral deposits here, and that's the issue with my toilets. It's not so much that it gets like nasty dirty, but I just don't like that. And what I normally use and really do love are these soft scrub things that keeps the bowl part clean, but it doesn't really do anything for the water coming down in between here and that part. So I don't think I need to use both of these together, so I'm taking this out. We're going to try the borax for a while and see what it does. So clean as possible. I just can't scrub that lime deposits off. Please don't judge me by the condition of the interior of my tank. These are old toilets. So we're going to flush. We're going to cut that open and get this disappeared. That's as low as it's going to get. I'm going to drop this in. And you can see that it's already starting to dissolve. So we've got to wait 20 minutes and then come back and flush and see what happened. So drop it away from that part. So problems I've had in the past, if I've used bleach tablets, what happens is it rots the components of the flushing assembly, which causes a lot of problems. So bleach is effective, but not for the flushing assembly. So it is dissolving. We'll come back in 20 minutes. And thankfully the little piece I cut didn't go in the toilet, landed on the floor. It doesn't say how long these last, and how could it? Because it's going to depend on how frequently you flush your toilet. But I'm going to put the date on here of when I put the first one in. And we'll see how long it lasts. This is the bathroom that's not used very frequently, so it's probably going to last for a long time. Our 20-minute wait time is up. Let's go check the toilet. Curious what the tank water looks like. So it's dissolved some, not dark blue. Let's do our first flush. And it's a light blue. So we'll see how it does on those mineral stains over time. The Bowl Fresh has been in exactly 1 month. It doesn't really turn the water blue anymore when I flush. This toilet only gets flushed about maybe twice a day. And you can see that there's a rim of debris right here that it did not control. I don't have any mold or mildew, but it did not take care of the limestone problem or the mineral buildup that I have. In the tank, we can see that there's still some blue in there, but it's not doing anything when I flush. I'll mix it up a little bit. Not super impressed with this product so far. I'm going to treat the mineral buildup with this and just let it set for a little while. Then I'll drop another Bowl Fresh in here and see what happens. Need to buy some more of that, don't I? I usually only use this when the toilets really need cleaning up under the rim. Right now I'm having this problem around the water line. I'm going to go ahead and add the second one to the pack to the tank while it soaks. It's 2 months later and there's no product left, and I didn't expect there to be any either. I just cleaned the toilet with the little toilet cleaners that I normally use. I'll show you those in a minute. But it didn't take care of the borax, did not take care of the hard water line at all. That's what I was really interested in it cleaning, and if anything, all it did was to dye it blue during the time that I was using it. And you can see, I hope you can see that buildup right above here of the hard water line. So I'm going to have to look for a different product to take care of that. This is the product I use to clean the toilet bowl, and I'll provide a link for you in the text if this is still available. I get my refills from Amazon Subscribe and Save. I never had that kind of problem using these, but I can't find these anymore. This was, I think, a soft scrub product as well. I have an old video up and I'll link it. If you'll check right up in here, I'll link it here and link it at the end of the video, and possibly have it come up as a suggested video at the end. But these are great. Thanks for watching my video review about the Bowl Fresh Blue Plus Borax. Remember, it's free to give the video a thumbs up. It's free to leave a positive comment. It's free to subscribe to my channel, or you can subscribe to a playlist that you like. And until we meet again, just help keep the world a cleaner, fresher place, because why not? Dirt's ugly and nasty unless it's not. If you have time before you go, watch another video. Thanks. Bye.